Today, I felt like eating something hot, crispy, that's quick to make. I had some small potatoes, so I decided to make potato vadas with a twist. I filled them with my mom's recipe for homemade garlic chili chutney. Thank you, Mom. Namaste, everyone. Welcome to Flavors of Home with Rash. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, follow the recipe, and give these vadas a try. Here's how to make the garlic chili chutney. In a blender, add Kashmiri red chili powder, a few garlic cloves, coriander powder, a little salt, drizzle of oil, and just enough water to help it blend smoothly. Blend everything into a smooth, thick, spreadable paste. Adjust with water and a little drizzle of oil if it's too thick. This chutney has a really lovely deep red color thanks to the Kashmiri chili powder. It isn't too spicy, just mild with rich garlic flavor. You can refrigerate or even freeze this chutney for 6 to 8 months. Here I have boiled and peeled baby potatoes. Slice each one carefully into 2 halves. Spread a thin layer of that chutney on both sides, not too much, just enough to coat them nicely. Now place the halves back together just like a sandwich. Repeat the same for all the potatoes, placing them on a plate. They already look so tempting, don't they? To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of chana flour, turmeric powder for that lovely golden color, carom seeds, pinch of asafoetida, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Then to this, add the water gradually while whisking. The batter should be smooth and thick, just enough to coat the back of a spoon. And here's the perfect consistency that you're looking for. Now heat your oil in a pan ready for deep frying. Dip 3 to 4 of the stuffed potatoes into the batter. Carefully place them in the hot oil. Fry them in batches depending on the size of your pan. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on one side, then flip them over for another couple of minutes on the other. Cook until golden brown and crisp. Then lift them out and they are ready to serve. These potato vadas taste great with my coriander chutney. I've linked that recipe on the screen now. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments how it turned out. Please like and share this video with others. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.